Good day, everyone. My name is Rutuja Gahukar. I live in Mumbai, and this year I've just passed out my SSC. And recently, in lockdown, I've started writing poems. I'm truly glad to be here, and it's indeed a pleasure for me to share my journey of writing poems, the motivation which I got. I hope you feel as excited as I am to be here at this moment. Actually, before in my life, I had never thought that I would write poems in future, as if there was no connection of poems in my life. But my friend's sister, who is my best friend, writes novels and poems and has won many prizes for them and has achieved a lot of success in this field. So one day I was reading her poems, and her poems were so nice that it moved me. I was moved by them. Impressed by her poems, I went to ask her, Didi, how do you write such heart touching and emotional poems? In reply, she told me, whenever I am filled with feelings for a particular topic, thoughts automatically occur and I start writing. I knew this fact already, but when she said it, this sentence remained in my mind. After some days, I heard a sad demise of Sushant Singh Rajput, the Bollywood actor. Though being talented and at a very young age, he took his own life. For many days, I was disappointed and continuously thinking about the reason why he must have taken his own life. Suddenly, I remembered my friend's sentence. When filled with emotions, thoughts automatically occur. And exactly, I was filled with pity on him and I had many feelings. So now the real journey begins. As I was sad, I started writing up my thoughts, but in a poetic manner. And at last, to my amazement, I wrote my first poem. I was so happy at that time that my happiness I am not able to express in words. So, though there were corrections in my first poem, some of my honest friends corrected me for that. But it was a poem and it was my first poem. This motivated me more. Again in my life, I met with a sad incident. My most beloved uncle, who used to love us and take care of us, was leaving India and was moving to UK forever. Though it was for his betterment for of his life, but then too he was leaving us. So I was very sad at that time. My heart sank, and I was literally crying for him. Again, I thought that I will write a poem in his remembrance, and this would be my second poem. So I started writing and I tried putting all the memories and attachments with him in the poem. At last, I completed it and I showed it to my uncle. He liked the poem so much that while speaking with me on a call, his voice was quavering. This time I realized that I can truly write poems. I can do something in this field. Then I met with some publishers who publish poems in various books. They are truly doing a very good job by giving others an opportunity and to help them develop in this field. So I wrote more and more poems and I submitted them to the publishers. I don't expect that my poems should be liked by everyone, but I am satisfied that I can show my talent to others. And due to the motivation which I got due to my friend and my mom and also the publishers, I look forward to try writing a novel. And I also thank the ones who gave me an opportunity, a golden chance, I should say, to be here and to share my journey. This day will always be in my heart, and I will remember this day as a golden day of my life. Thank you.